Hey guys, it's your boy Aki, and I've had some recent DMs about people wanting to start doing the things that I do in my vids, but they don't have Photoshop and they don't have the money to buy it. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get it for free. So all you have to do is join my Discord, link in the description. You have to get this. You have to verify your subscriber, and then you get the role to see the temps, which you'll be able to see Adobe PS Photoshop, and then this is the download link. All you have to do is press download. It's kind of a big file, so it'll take a while, but I'll get back to you when it's over. So guys, as you can see, it's just downloaded, so I'm not going to press open file. So you just want to press open this, and then just press setup. And don't worry, this is fully trusted. I've gave it loads of people, and I've not had any problems. No one has to have any problems. But if you do, just DM me on Discord. So you get that. Press yes. I already have it, so I'm not gonna fully download it. But all you have to do is pick the language, pick the folder, press continue. But I'm just gonna cancel it and then it just installs, and then that's it. You've got it. See, this is when you download it. All you have to do is search up Photoshop, and this is what's going to look like. It has the same, it's the whole thing, whole app. Nothing's missing from it. So yeah, I've been using it for a while. You can create new, boom, just create. Hi. I've been using it for a while, but yeah. Anyway guys, have a good one. This is fully trusted. Hope you enjoyed the video, and